What is up, folks? All right, I'm back. This morning I was working on some open source stuff, and I'm going to continue to do that this afternoon. I still have 21 emails to go, so this is going to be fun. We're going to just wrap this up, and yeah, so I'll just start up from where I was before I stopped earlier, and we can continue. Feel free to comment if that's something that you enjoy doing, and I will try to answer questions as they come. Let me just get us going on the next email here. So I'm gonna move this over here. Okay. So I've caught up from the month of December. December's all done. January notifications are mostly done. I just have like the last 6 or 7 days that I have to go. So this was an issue that I commented on a while ago, new act warning since update. My comment was that it probably most of the time has something to do with this right here. I'm still getting the act warning, even though I need to make this like an actual blog post by itself so I can link directly to it. It was just short, and when you do this, you experience these problems less. But looks like that helped a lot of people, and this is a reminder for this person. But this person's bumping into it. Means the problem was not a wait for the act function, so no when I use now. Okay, I believe it happens because my component has an async click handler. Yeah, right here. You don't need to do act and async in here. This does nothing. No good. Yeah, but that's okay. Yeah. So this await right here is not going to wait for this thing to happen. The promise that's returned from this function is not going to be the thing returned from this function, and even if it was, you're not returning anything here. So this promise is not going to wait for that to happen either. The fact that this works is basically just happening because you're forcing things to be put onto the next tick. But they've got it working. I don't have the bandwidth to like help everybody with stuff like this, so I'm just gonna leave this be and not comment. And I do that sometimes, and I'm sorry, but that's just what we gotta do sometimes. Okay, so yeah, this is on a PR that we've kind of been waiting on for a while, and it looks like these happened yesterday. It looks like there's still a couple other things to do. And I'll just comment, awesome. Let us know when you're ready for a. Boy, I sure hope I end up merging this because he's worked a lot on this, and I haven't really spent a lot of time. I'm pretty excited about it, but I'm just not. Yeah, I haven't actually reviewed it, so I hope we end up merging that. Okay, cool. So next, I gotta check my DMs here on Twitter really quick. Nope, he didn't send it to me. I'm gonna find it. So this guy has just done tons of work for me in open source projects and stuff. And it was a while back that he sent me how to pronounce his name, and here we go. Transfer expired. Well, yeah, I can't remember how to say his name. But anyway, helpful person. Yeah, removing opt support because really I'm not gonna bother. Who cares? Get rid of that, get rid of those. And all of those, they're gone. Cool. Awesome, thank you. And squash and merge this thing. Boom, new version released, or going to be released soon. Okay, very good. You just, oh, what up, Sebastian? Hey, take a look at the docs PR. I absolutely should. In fact, it's in my email inbox right here, and I was gonna wait to review this until after that PR was merged. But since you're here, I'll take a look at this really quick. Okay. Cool. That's nice. So since you're here and we're just talking, I would probably just get rid of this, and say, if you run into situations like this, then you should use by role instead. But probably not by role. You'd probably want to have something like get by role. Maybe move this up above the example and recommend it first. Also, use an query, not just by role. Just maybe get by. Yeah, get. Okay, starting review. Changing, yeah, adding this option to our get by role. Yeah, it's fun. If only query. Yeah. Let's make sure that we never have sample code that doesn't either. Sample code that looks it could be real code, but is either get by role or it. This applies to. Okay. Wait, is maybe I'm wrong. Is by role like a new export or something? Um No, it's yeah, it's just a regular export here as well. Okay. Right after label text. I definitely put it in front of the text. Yeah, that makes sense. I roll with a name, and the name is a text match. Yeah, that's so cool. Can't wait for this. This is awesome. And thinking this will be used more. This will probably be used more than text. So maybe we could make a helper query by text or name to make it easier to use. Oh, didn't mean to approve that, but yeah. Yeah. Thanks, Sebastian. You're awesome. I love working with you on this library. It's fantastic. Sorry, I'm a little tired. I just realized how like monotone that sounded, but I really am excited about it. Okay, very good. I think I already, no, I didn't look at this already. Sweet. So this one, pretty dumb. Looks like Sebastian already reviewed it. Ensure safe. Oh, okay, yeah. What did Sebastian say? Yep. Yeah, this is fine. Super duper. Thank you very much. This, well, let's see. Yeah, that's good. That's fine. Okay. Right. 6. All right. Sweet. And let's see if this person's already part of the contributor table. I don't think that they are. I don't recognize them. So let's add them. Add that person for code. I'm so glad we have this bot. Before doing this without the bot was a major pain. But now I can be grateful for people and not have to do as much work, which is just wonderful. All right, sweet. So we'll squash and merge that. We won't wait for checks. We won't skip CI because skipping CI will mean that we have a newer commit than the one that's currently being released, and so it won't get released, and that's not good. So we'll have this part of the release. And eventually I'll probably want to update all contributors. I'll do it right now. All contributors RC. This. Skip CI. I can't remember. All contributor. Whoop. I have docs. Configuration. Skip CI. There we go. Skip CI. False. There we go. Look at all those awesome contributors. That's so great. Sure. Fix all contributors. Commit that directly. Sweet. And actually, you know what I'm going to do? We're going to do the same thing to React library and to Cypress, ones that I maintain. Skip CI. Or, yeah. Did I say true on the last one? Okay, good. Sure, fix all contributors. Config. Commit that. Skip CI. False. Or fix. There we go. Won't have that problem here anymore. All right, very good. Next. Okay, we got that. Plan CGS. Oh yeah, this is the Shadow DOM thing. Oh. You know what I'm gonna do? there any chance that you could maintain a separate ends the capability here via custom keys? So smaller mod like the PR. Okay, we'll see what they say. Okay. Okay, Dan, hello. Fire event, mouse center. Oh, I just gotta send a quick text. 1 second. Okay. All right. Mouse enter, mouse leave, not working with add event listener. Yeah. Okay. Oh, let me check comments. Hello, sorry to interrupt. I actually have a blog post for you, Egby. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce your name, but that's what it looks like. We're gonna send you to what? OSS. Participate in open source. It's awesome. And that will hopefully help you find a good direction, good place to go. It's good to see you, Demetrius. Okay, cool. So we're back. So I know what this person's talking about. We alias mouse enter and mouse leave to mouse over and mouse out, thanks to React's event system. This is only in React testing library, not in DOM testing library. You can take a look at this. Yeah, so they have mouse out, mouse over. Yeah. So what is the goal here? So they add a mouse enter, and then they remove the mouse enter. This use effect is happening literally every re-render. Probably not the best, but it is. And then we render over hover me, get by text, mouse enter, get by text. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, sorry about that. I can't remember exactly the reasons for the event non-standard event stuff in React. But that's what we needed to do to working with React event props. I probably better be nice. Hi. Oh, whoops. Thanks for the issue. What should we do? I'm not sure what to do here. I think you do we have a code sandbox? Yeah, nice. See if I can get something to work. Okay, and this could. Yeah, Code Sandbox is the worst sometimes. I love Code Sandbox for so many reasons, but sometimes it just doesn't work. Like it just sometimes the tests pass and sometimes they don't, and I never really know when I'm gonna get which version of Code Sandbox. How do you read code and if they're working or not? Like those PRs. I'm not sure I understand the question. I think you're asking, how do I look at the code and know whether it's going to work? Well, I have a really strong suite of tests, and I know that if those are passing, then it probably will work. And if I don't see anything that's particularly problematic or concerning, then I expect it will work. 1 second. I'm back. Okay, well, I refreshed and this didn't. Unable to find element not entered. Oh, that's, yeah, okay, there we go. Wait. Oh, okay, this is the line that it's failing on. Okay. Hmm. I have a feeling this won't make a difference. Yeah, I don't know. And I'm afraid I don't have the band right now. Look into it. Grimace. Sorry. Anyone else have big? And we'll add the label, needs investigation. Okay. And on to the next. I just don't have time. Okay. Got my open source generator thing. Go. Got all those moved around. I'm actually gonna edit this one. Edit file. I come down here to the bottom. We're gonna take all these. Come up here to the top. Stick them right there. And that way all the like config stuff can go up at the top. And the rest can go toward Yep. And we're gonna need to do the same thing in the, so that's for the repo, and then for all. Goodness. It's in here somewhere. There it is. Get this file down here. Grab all that and put it right there. Grab this one. That right here. And we're almost there. Oh, and I didn't check. Repo host file. Huh, fine. Very good. Okay, so let's see what else we've got here. Solved all my concerns. Isn't Sandbox currently not supporting mocks? Yes. Isn't that super annoying? Yes. Yeah, so I'll play around in Code Sandbox right up until I need to do something that Code Sandbox doesn't support, like mocking, and then I'll pull it down. And it's really annoying that I have to do that. I'd really like it if they could support mocks somehow. I'm not sure what the problems are there, but whoa, that was a mistake. I never meant to do that. Always meant to have the email address in there, so my bad. Sorry. Good, got that updated. That's awesome. Move this stuff around. That should have been down at the bottom. Okay. I have more emails coming in as I go. Engines got pushed down to the bottom. I don't care. I do care enough. Move that. Gonna go down here. Move engines up to right here. And we are back. Yeah, this all looks fine. Super. Thank you. I'll make it nice for the next time I actually, you know what? I just realized that I just published a breaking change to KCD scripts, and I may as well get that updated. Go. I think, yeah, we're on 5 now. Edit file. Gonna be on 5. That updated. And well, So this is my generator. So I've got the generator project itself that has a package.json, but then I have the template that has its own package.json. Yeah, this is going to be 5.0.0 and commit that. And then we can get this thing merged and release the generator. I don't know what version this is. npm generator ACD OSS. And down here, squash and merge. And yeah, it's on version 3. So we're going to do state all the things. And we'll say breaking change everything. Things changed. This is one of the things that I don't really support for everyone else. Any project that I have that has KCD or can't see odds or anything like that in the name of the project, that's an indication that like I'm supporting this for my use cases. You're free to use it if you want to, but I'm not I'm not taking as good care of it as I might if I'm supporting it for other people. So keep that in mind. Maybe fork it instead. Okay, cool. Moving on. We're getting there. We're getting there. Taking a while, but we're going to get there. It's going to be good. We're going to be done eventually. This was merged. Awesome. I don't know why I was in here. Check out this great blog post. Cool. Nice. Well, that's fun to get mentioned. Don't need to do anything there, so we'll move on. Just noticed a couple more comments. After buying your course, oh, thanks. Nice. Working with Jest and React testing library, showed you your approach with the team lead. They agreed with it. That's awesome. Test files are full of implementation details. Testing for coverage, so to speak. Yep. I know how that feels. You're not alone. You're not alone. But you're pulling yourself out of it, and that's awesome. Good job. All right. Allow debug to accept some args. They're the same args as pretty DOM. Okay. I see. Let me just take a look really quick. That was not the file I wanted. We just added green debug. That's going to be on DOM, actually. Oh no, it was in queries for elements. Yeah. Debug. Did I? Oh, that was in a pull request. So actually, this is interesting. Because we're going to override debug. Oh, yeah, that's... okay. This is interesting. So, hi there. What's your name? Actually, with this PR, we're going to add debug to what's returned from whatever this thing is called, get or whatever. The queries for element, which is what's spread onto the return value from render. This means that the debug now will get overridden. This is technically not a breaking change for DOM thing library. but I guess could technically be one for React library. Say all of this, just thinking loud because I just recognized it. Thanks to your issue. Thank you. So, oh, no, it won't. No, we're fine. We're fine. Nope, never mind. All that stuff is not true. The initial value defaults to an object, and that's the way that we're using it. We don't have an initial value. So we're fine. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Go back. Go back. Okay. So yeah. I'm fine with this change. Max length. Yeah. Thanks for the suggestion. I'm good with your first here, let's do for the issue. I'm good with your first suggestion. If you like to make a, I don't know this person, make a pull request, so I'm gonna give them this request.com. Maybe they've made 1 million pull requests. I don't know. Never know. Okay, this person knows on but it never hurts. Okay, cool. We got that dealt with. Now to cross ENV. Probably the package that I maintain the least but gets the most number of downloads. And my oldest package that gets by far the most number of downloads. Just updating some docs. Sweet. Thank you. Wash and merge that. Docs. Update. Confirm. All contributors add this person for docs. And here comes the bot. Come on, bot. You can do it. Come on. Boom. There's the bot. And we're going to squash and merge this sucker. Get rid of that skip CI so we can actually... Well, actually, we wouldn't get a release anyway, but whatever. Because it was just a docs change. But there it goes. Deleted branch. All right. And we've got a couple more cross ENV things. And just make sure I have dealt with these as much as I want to. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Fine. We're good there. All right. So on getting more. Stop doing so much open source. No, just kidding. I just want to get this to inbox 0 so I can move on with my life. Okay. I need to remind again. I'm working on it, I promise. Have patience. Okay. There we go. We could probably improve the tests of this project. Okay. If a custom normalizer is passed. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think we can probably merge this. I don't think this is a breaking change, so we can just get this going. And I forgot to ask him to make a request. Could you make a poll to add to the docs, please? And gonna add them for code and tests. Okay, and there we go. There you are. Wash and merge. This should not happen. Thought that I'd set that. CI. Oh, would be false. There we go. Okay. Testing library, docs, setup. So Babel polyfill was deprecated? Okay. Yep, looks good. I don't remember if this person's contributed docs or not. Find out. Then I'll just apologize for forgetting. Boom, there you are. And let's see the changes. Boom, indeed, they were added. So I'm gonna come here, squash and merge, use the privileges, and we can skip CI on this one. Because it does not matter. We're not releasing software. I guess we're releasing the doc site, but I don't think it cares about being the most recent commit or anything. Okay, cool. So we can my email hasn't updated to archive that. Okay, there's another email I need to address. And there's we have this one. Sweet, I got this one 7 hours ago. We're so close. So close. Oh, I just realized that Chris Biscardi commented. How did I not see that? That was the very first comment. If you're still here, Chris, hi. Okay, so this one is on Spectrum. on the testing JavaScript spectrum. Oh, test node backends feels like testing implementation details. Yes, it is a spectrum. No pun intended. Keeler is not read this. I second everything this person said. Yeah. Hello. Wave. Thank you to this person and person for your perspectives. Really appreciate you helping the community here. I agree. What's been they're testing. Yeah. All of software is loaded with trade. The idea behind software is to automate things so we can get more things done faster. S are no different. Some software things and have to make the new paragraph. Tests are no different. Imagine having to teach money every time you or it payments. That wouldn't. So instead, you in the course, I mock to the database so my test can run faster. And then I make that the connection. So then I make sure those connections work if you in general most or that and you cover the edge and reason I spend more time Python because I did it before. There hopefully this will and this I don't think I have a short. Thanks. All right. That was good. Okay. Moving on to the next. Another spectrum. My goodness. Getting spectrums all over the place. I try to run my machine. It doesn't auto like in the video. I've been attempting ESLint REPL as well. It doesn't seem to autofix it too. I was hoping you can tell me how it was working. I attached. Okay. There are a few possible. Right. When recording, or they may have removed feature as it added to feature. I might have disabled here. In any case, hopefully, and you'll have called should not make a for. Okay. Much deeper into that. I have the time for it. I wanted. Sweet. Just I guess since they're not mentioned, they're just going to be the same as everyone else, so that's probably fine. Cancelable? No. Bubbles? Yes. Oh, cancelable? No. Sweet. Bubbles? Yes. Good. And the test seems to pass, so super. Thank you for this. Proof. Nice. Squash that, sucker. Closes that one. And confirm. Boom. There we go. And then we're going to get that person on all contributors for their S and code. And just be so thankful for the people who make this a thing, right? If it weren't for these people, it wouldn't be a thing. So thank you, thank you, thank you for your tests and your code. And boom, there it goes. Muchas gracias. Okay. Sweet, now coming back here. Somebody requested a review. I think I already saw this one actually, so I can probably just oh, suggestion for tests were added. Thanks. Look. Then we click. Twice. Love it. Love it. Thank you. Watch that sucker. And feature, add debug method to screen. And then I think we got a docs PR that. Use sometimes if it's like not super big, not debug, then I'll just do it myself like this. I'm gonna do and get rid of this, that, and we'll have this, we'll put that there, and that. And you know what, let's just do this, we don't need that. Okay. Sweet. Looks awesome. Oh, and it doesn't need to be JSX. Hit file. Screen debug. And commit. Okay. Ah, man, I have an extra line. Edit. One last thing. Screen debug. Okay, now we're done. I love that I'm able to do that. We weren't always able to do make changes to other people's PRs. Now we are, and it's awesome. Super. Thank you so much. Wash and merge this thing. And this is on the docs. Who cares about the commit message? But we do care about giving credit for their work and being nice and saying thank you and all of those things. So we're going to add that person for docs. And here's that PR. And there they are for docs. Watch that. Merge this. And we are good on that one. Huge thank you for this individual. Did I squash this? Oh, I haven't yet. Or wait, hold on. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Yeah. GitHub, you got some problems. I feel like I recognize this person. No, don't recognize them, but they look nice. Okay, next. Somebody in my AMA. I forgot to, or I did close it and they said thank you. You're welcome. Oh, whoops. And next is oh, I think I merged it. So that can go away. And oh, yep. Thumbs up. Hey, cool. Oh, here we go. Skip this one. Okay. Super nice. Fashion, thank you. You're being awesome. Yep, thumbs up. Just thumbs up all around. All right, sweet. So I'm gonna archive that, and got a couple other personal emails to deal with, and then I'll be inbox 0, and then a couple other personal emails in my personal email to deal with, and then we really will be inbox 0. Got an email from my mom, and an email from React Summit, and an email from Life, the Universe, and Everything conference. That's a writers conference that I might be going to in Provo, Utah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for the day, for the live stream. I have some work to do on the beginner's guide to React that I'm gonna be doing. So if I start up with that, then maybe I'll start up a live stream. But I have let's see, like an hour before the end of the day, because I need to hang out with my kids while my wife takes my daughter somewhere. So I probably won't stream for the rest of the day, but I've finally caught up on my email, assuming that I finish everything else. And so that'll be just, I'm so thrilled about that. And it's nice to have gotten all caught up. Thanks everybody for watching, keeping me honest and not jumping to Twitter all the time. I will endeavor to not jump to Twitter right after I finish this live stream, and instead finish those emails and then probably go to Twitter. So hope you all have a stellar day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.